Welcome back to our HTML learning series. In the previous lesson, we covered the basics of HTML, what it is, how it structures web pages, and how it works alongside CSS and JavaScript. We also installed a code editor and created our first HTML file. Today, we are going to take the next step by exploring the structure of an HTML document and understanding how different elements work together to form a web page. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more web development tutorials. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments section, we're here to help. In this video, we will cover these topics. First, recap of day 1. Second, understanding the structure of an HTML document. Third, writing your first HTML page. Fourth, running the HTML file. Coming to first point, recap of day 1. Before diving into today's topic, let's quickly review what we learned in the last session. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is used to create the structure of web pages. It works with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. We installed a code editor, Sublime Text, and created our first HTML file. Now, let's build on that foundation and learn how an HTML document is structured. Coming to second point, understanding the structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document follows a specific structure consisting of essential elements. DOCTYPE declaration. Every HTML file starts with a DOCTYPE declaration, which tells the browser that we are using HTML5. HTML element. The entire web page is wrapped inside the HTML element, which serves as the root of the document. The lang and attribute specifies that the document is in English. Head section. The head element contains metadata about the web page, which is essential for browser processing but not visible on the page. Important elements inside the head section. Character encoding. It ensures support for various characters and symbols. Viewport settings, which helps the web page adjust to different screen sizes, making it mobile friendly. Title defines the title that appears on the browser tab. Body section. The body element contains all the visible content of the web page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Everything inside the body element will be displayed in the browser. Coming to third point, writing your first HTML page. Now, let's apply what we've learned by creating a simple HTML file. Steps to create an HTML file. Open Sublime Text. Create a new file and save it as index.html. Type the following HTML code. Coming to fourth point, running the HTML file. After writing the code, follow these steps to open your web page in a browser. How to open your web page. Open the folder where you saved the file. Right-click on the file and select Open with Google Chrome or any other browser. You should see the following output. What you will see on the web page. A heading that says Welcome to my web page. A paragraph that says This is my first HTML page. Now practice task. Modify your index.html file by adding an extra paragraph inside the body section. Then, save the file and open it in a browser to see the changes. That's it for day 2. You now understand the basic structure of an HTML document and have written your first complete web page. In the next video, we'll explore HTML elements like links, images, and lists to enhance our web page. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next session.